Good day. I hope you are having a wonderful day.
Continue singing.
No. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Start to your day. Remember, stay positive, think on possibilities. Today, I have a few activities to do. I already had breakfast. Now I'm going to the dentist, and it's officially, I'm going to the dentist for the last time. I'm gonna pick up, what is it called? For my mouth?
A
guard. So I had an event a couple weeks ago, and it stressed me out. And I guess I was biting my mouth. And so, yeah, that's a long story. I don't want to gross you out so early. And then after that, I'm gonna go shopping to see if I like anything in the store. If not, then I won't get anything. And then I'm gonna come back home and take the dog to the vet. Guess what? The monster is sick again, and it's because he might have had pick up something from the road that he's not supposed to eat, and now there are consequences that I am paying for, and I'm not happy about it. Why are you laughing?
Yes, you are paying for the consequences.
I am paying for the consequences of this dog eating off the street, like, yeah. And then I have two new cuties. I'm gonna show, well, a new cutie. Yeah, Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia, I'll be out for a while and I'll be back, and then I'm gonna take you to the park, okay, girl? Okay. Hey, Mamma Mia. Oh. Of course.
Ooh, they ate already. They ate already. No. She's scared of me.
Yes, I see.
Because she saw I punish Henry. She's scared of me.
Órale. Clima confundido porque frío, calor, frío, calor, frío. I am walking to the dentist. I think I might be a little bit late. I'm gonna check on the time. Ooh, I'm 4 minutes late. Darn. Damn. Ooh. Oopsie. That was a quick time in the dentist's office, and now the Uber is here. Sí, soy. Buenas tardes.
Parque Delta, ¿verdad?
Sí. on my way to Parque Delta. I'm looking for only 2 items. Shopping is not my favorite thing, but at least I know exactly what I'm looking for, so I'm just going to go in and out of stores until I find what I need. And I'll take you with me in this place that I'm going to. Yo, de mi mamá.
¿De qué parte de tu mamá?
Órale.
¿Dónde naciste?
Ah, en un hospital.
¿Dónde radicas? ¿Dónde vives?
En México, yo vivo en México.
¿Vives aquí en México?
Sí. Sí. Órale, ustedes del norte. Alto y guapo. Órale.
Cambiador, trabajador.
Sí, también. ¿Perdón?
Me gusta trabajar.
También sí. Esto es I am in Parque Delta. Parque Delta is a commercial center that has different stores and restaurants. Now, before this was a baseball stadium, and they turned it or converted it into a commercial center. Now I am going to Liverpool to look for an item. I'm starting in Liverpool because Liverpool have different layers and basically different layers, and I hope I can just find what I want and be out. Shopping can be overwhelming. This is exactly what I'm looking for, but I don't like the details here at the end. I want something plain and simple. We're size 8 in shoes, most shoes, and let's hope they have my size. I'm in a store called La Milagresa, and they distribute products from Flexi. And I'm looking for a boot. Booty, 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 booty. end up getting my shoes in Dorothy Gaynor, and so all the stores, I went to Nine West and another store, and they didn't have my size. Maybe they would have had it in other location, but I didn't want to leave this location. I just wanted to get everything here, so I ended up getting it in Dorothy Gaynor, and it's very comfortable. The booty. Home from the store, and I had a lot of problems with finding my shoe size. Usually I buy sneakers, and when I buy sneakers I buy them from Nike, Puma or Adidas, and they usually have my size. But I end up getting my shoe from a Mexican designer, and they have all sizes, and so that was interesting. You know, I was pretty excited. I think Flexi does have my shoe size, but they didn't have what I wanted, and so that's that. Now the husband is saying I have to take Henry to the vet because he's not well, so I'm gonna take the monster again to the vet to see what's going on. Henry is full water, and so hopefully it's nothing too serious. Oh, damn it. He has so much energy regardless of him being sick, and a very big bark. ¿Cuánto es?
20 kilos 800.
20 kilos, órale. ¿20 kilos?
20 kilos.
Yo pienso ahora es flaquito.
Gracias. Vente.
¿Quieres el libro de él?
Sí, por favor. Ven, cielo.
Handy. Based on what I described to the vet, and it don't sound like it's very serious. So let's hope that's the case. We're gonna get medicina for him. Medicina como humano. Ay, okay. So I'm back home. Hindi is not so serious. The case with Hindi is not so serious, so medication was prescribed and I got them. In for an evening walk with these two lovely doggies, and yeah, I came back home, had a little din with the husband, and then I went to take my late evening siesta, got up back, and now I'm taking the dogs for a walk.